Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over how to close the Union bank account. Now, very easy. First, just open up your browser and search for Union Bank of India. Okay, open up the first link and then just let it verify that you're a human with Cloudflare. And then once the verification is complete, you will be redirected to this page. Now, look at this top panel. Okay, I want you to just go ahead and tap here on the call icon to reach contact us. If you want to change your language, you can come and click on this and then change your language. But let's just tap on that. And here you go. We have the contact us page. Let's go ahead and scroll down. And now, to be able to actually close your account, you need to go ahead and call them. They'll verify that it's actually you. So these are their toll-free numbers for all India. And these are for NRI. Okay, if you're a non-resident Indian, then reach out to them. They'll basically verify that it's you, and then you'll go through the process of closing it. Or you can actually write to them as well. Okay, so they have a record of that. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.